Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Roblox purchase history. It's interesting to see your purchase history over different time periods on Roblox. And I'm going to guide you through it step by step. To avoid missing anything, watch the entire guide. So let's get started. But if you want to specifically check your purchase history, you need to exit the application and open a web browser like Safari or Chrome. Go to the Roblox website, which is roblox.com, and log into your specific account. Now, in the top right corner, select the Robux icon, and you'll see your current Robux balance. Then find and tap on My Transactions. And at the top, you can choose the type of transaction that you want to view. Select the type of transaction, and you'll get three different options of currency purchases, and sales of goods. Select currency purchases and choose how many items appear on the page. If you select summary, you'll only see the total amount spent. Selecting current purchases gives you more detailed information. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.